Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes children, are you fine? Yes, so now let's start our social science class. Okay, so all of you take a social science book. All of you take a social science book and social science class work, homework, pencil, eraser, everything. Take children, take and keep with you, take fast. Have you taken children? Have you taken everything? So the revision is going on. Yes or no children? In social science there is only 4 lessons. So already we had completed all the lesson. Yes or no children? So that's why we have started our revision. Okay children? So hereafter every day you should study. Okay children? Revision classwork and homeworks are very important. You have to study every day and write and see in your rough note. Okay children, because our quarterly exam coming near us, so don't waste the time. Every day you should study. Okay children, every day you should study the classwork and homework and write and see in your rough note. Next time when you come to the school for correction, you have to bring the rough note, classwork and homework. Okay children, I have to check if you study or not. I have to check. Okay children, so have to bring. Okay, and also have to study and come. I will ask the question answer also. Okay children, you have to prepare and come. Okay children, I have to ask question each lesson. Okay children, so every day you should study. Okay children, okay. Yes, so now let's start our revision. So already in the previous class we have recalled some of the topic from this third lesson, good citizen. Yes or no children? So already in the previous class we have learnt about personal values and cultural values. Yes or no children? So have you understood that? Yes. So now today also we are going to recall some topics from this third lesson, good citizen. Okay children, so all of you take a social science book. Take book page number 165. Take book page number 165. Take children. Have you taken children page number 165? Yes. So good values are classified into 5 categories. Okay children, good values are classified into 5 categories. Okay, 5 types. Okay, they are personal value, cultural value, social value, disciplinary value and constitutionally value. Okay, so personal value means தனிப்பட்ட ஒரு நெறிமுறை. Okay, தனிப்பட்ட நபர்களுடைய நெறிமுறை. So that is personal value. Next, cultural value, பண்பாட்டு நெறிமுறை. Cultural value means பண்பாட்டு நெறிமுறை. Next, social value, சமுதாய நெறிமுறை. Disciplinary value means ஒழுக்கம் சார்ந்த நெறிமுறைகள். Okay, next, constitutionally value means சட்டம் சார்ந்த நெறிமுறைகள். Okay, so good values are divided into 5 types. Okay children, so good values are the equal quality of the person. Good values are the quality of a person that keeps society running. So all the individual person we need good values. So with good values are the quality of a person. So we have to develop some good values to live in the society. Okay children, so எல்லா மனிதர்களுக்கும் சிட்டியில் சொசைட்டியில் வாழணும் அப்படின்னா நமக்கு ஒரு நற்பண்புகள் வேணும். Okay children, so we need to develop some good values to live in the society. Okay children, so good values are divided into 5 categories. So already in the previous class we have learnt about personal values and cultural value. Yes or no children? Yes, so now today we are going to learn about social value. Okay, so page number 165. So first of all we have to recall the previous class topic. Okay children, so cultural value. Cultural value means பண்பாட்டு நெறிமுறை. Cultural value means பண்பாட்டு நெறிமுறை. Okay, so culture is the branded of human experience. So culture is the product of human experience. So every individual person we need cultural value also. Okay children, so become well manner and culture is an essence for the society. So to become well mannered and culture is an important essence for the society. So irrespective of language, religion, people live together in harmony. So in our society in Tamil Nadu we have different religion, different language people also is there. Yes or no children? But we are living in together. We are living in together. So different religion and different language is not change. Yes or no children? It is not very difficult, it is very difficult to change. So நம்ம இந்தியாவில் different religion people இருக்காங்க, different language பேசுகிற மக்கள் இருக்காங்க அப்படிதானே. But we all are joined together and live in the society. Yes or no children? So நம்ம countryல different religion, different language இருந்தாலும் நம்ம எல்லாரும் சேர்ந்து ஒரே மனிதர்களாக வாழ்கிறோம் அப்படிதானே. So we are all human, we all are human, we live together. Yes or no children? So in our society there are different language and religion also is there, but we live in society. So different religion and different language is not change. Yes or no children? That is very difficult to change because it is followed by many years. Yes or no children? So நம்ம கண்ட்ரியில் ஹிந்துஸ் இருக்காங்க, முஸ்லீம்ஸ் இருக்காங்க, கிறிஸ்டியன்ஸ் இருக்காங்க. ஸோ அவங்களோட ரிலீஜனை அவங்களால நினச்ச முடியாது, சேஞ்ச் பண்ண முடியாது. வை? That is followed by many years. Yes or no children? So that is very difficult to change, but we all are live together. Yes or no? We all are humans, we must live together as brothers and sisters. Okay children? So that is cultural value. Okay children? So the cultural value help to maintain the good relationship. Okay children? So we need to live together. So that is the value of ensure the quality of our life. Okay children? Okay, yes. Next we are going to learn about social values. Okay, so social values form a important part of the culture and of the society. So social values form an important part. Okay, so social value ஒரு இம்பார்ட்டண்டான பார்ட். ஓகே, நம்ம சொசைட்டியில் வாழணும் அப்படின்னா சோஷியல் வேல்யூவும் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், சோஷியல் வேல்யூஸ் ஆல்சோ ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் அன் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் part of the society. Okay children, so in society we can live. Yes or no children? In society we can live, so we need to behave in public places. We should, so social values are also very important. We need to live in the society, so we maintain the following good values in public places. So in public places we should maintain some good values. Okay children, so you can see the book page number 160. So we should maintain some good values in public places. Okay children, so there are some points you can see children. Maintain good relation with the people, so we should maintain the good relationship with the others. Okay children, so நம்மளோட நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், எல்லா மக்களோடையும் நல்ல ரிலேஷன்ஷிப்பை வளர்த்துக்கணும். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், ஸோ மெயின்டைன் குட் ரிலேஷன் வித் த பீப்புள். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ரெஸ்பெக்ட் எல்டர்ஸ். ரெஸ்பெக்ட் எல்டர்ஸ், we should give the respect to the elders. We should give respect to the elders. நம்மளோட வயது முதிர்ந்தவர்களை நம்ம ரெஸ்பெக்டாக நடத்தணும். ஓகே, மரியாதையோடு நடந்துக்கணும். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ப்ரொடெக்ட் அவர் என்விரான்மெண்ட். ப்ரொடெக்ட் நேச்சர். ப்ரொடெக்ட் நேச்சர், we should protect our nation. ஸோ நம்மளோட இயற்கையை நம்ம தான் பாதுகாத்துக்கணும். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், ஸோ we should protect our nature, environment. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு be tolerant. Be tolerant, எல்லாரோடையும் சகிப்புத்தன்மையோடு நடந்துக்கணும். Be tolerant. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு மெயின்டைன் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப். மெயின்டைன் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப், எல்லாரோடையும் நண்பர்களாக பழகணும். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், மெயின்டைன் friendship. So we should always maintain good relationship with each other. We should maintain all good relationship with each other. Okay children, so these are the things we should follow in our society to ensure our society, ensure our social values for our country. Okay children, so in our country we have to live. Yes or no children? So we should maintain some good values in the public. Okay children, so maintain good relation with people. Next, respect elders, protect our environment, be tolerant, maintain friendship. Okay children, so these are the things we should follow in our society to ensure our good values for our country. Okay children, okay, do you understand children? So social value, so நம்ம public placeல நம்மளோட good values வளர்த்துக்கிறது தான் social value. Social value, that is public place. In the public place we should develop some good values to behave in a public places. Okay children, do you understand children? Do you understand clearly children? Next there is a let us know. You can see page number 166. You can see children, let us know. King Sibi offered the flesh of his time to a starved hawk to save the wandered dove. Okay, so this story already I have taught. Yes or no children? Did I say the story children? So do you know children? Already I have said this story. Yes or no? Yes. So King Sibi, கிங் ஒரு சிபி அப்படின்னு ஒரு கிங் இருந்தார். அவர் என்ன செஞ்சார், ஒரு நாள் ரொம்ப பசியோடு இருந்த ஒரு பருந்துக்கு அவரோட ஃப்ளஷ்ஷே என்ன செஞ்சிட்டாரு, கொடுத்துட்டாரு. ஏன் அப்படின்னா அந்த பருந்து பசியோடு இருக்கிறப்போ ஒரு புறாவை என்ன செஞ்சது, சாப்பிட போச்சுது. ஓகே, ஸோ புறா ரொம்ப பயந்து சத்தம் போட்டே போகும்ல, யாராவது என்னை காப்பாற்றுங்க அப்படின்னு சத்தம் போடும்ல. ஸோ அதை பார்த்து என்ன செஞ்சார், அவரோட தொடையில் இருக்கிற ஒரு கறியை அறுத்து அந்த பருந்துக்கு கொடுத்து அந்த டவ்வை என்ன செஞ்சார், காப்பாற்றினார். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், ஸோ கிங் சிபி ஆஃபர்ட் த ஃப்ரெஷ் ஆஃப் ஹிஸ் டைம் டு a served hawk to save the wandered dove. Okay children, so this is one story. Okay, next, to give justice to a cow, Manunidhi Cholan killed his son under the wheels of his chariot. So this is also one story. Okay children, ஸோ மனுநிதி சோழன் அப்படின்னு ஒரு அரசர் இருந்தார். அவர் என்ன செஞ்சார், அவருக்கு அவர் நாட்டில் உள்ள மக்களுக்கு என்ன கஷ்டம்னாலும் என்ன செய்யார், அவர் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுவார். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், ஸோ அப்போ ஒரு நாள் என்ன செஞ்சார், அவர் நாட்டில் ஒரு பெல் இருக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ அந்த பெல்லை யாரெல்லாம் அடிக்கிறாங்களோ அவங்களுக்கு தேவையான உதவிகளை அவர் செய்வார். ஓகே, ஸோ அவங்களுக்கு தேவையான தர்மத்தை அவர் பண்ணுவார். ஓகே, ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு நாள் ஒரு நாட்டில் ஒரு கவ்வோட கண்ணுக்குட்டி இருக்குங்களா, கண்ணுக்குட்டியை நம்ம மனுநிதி சோழனோட சன் என்ன செஞ்சிட்டாரு, அந்த அவரோட தேரோட வீலை ஏற்றி என்ன செஞ்சிட்டாரு, கொன்னுட்டார். ஓகே, ஸோ ஆன் தேட் டே த கவ் ரிங் த பெல், கவ் என்ன செஞ்சுட்டு மணி அடிச்சிட்டு. ஸோ மனுநிதி சோழன் என்ன செஞ்சார், கவ்வோட கண்ணுக்குட்டியை கொன்ன அவரோட மகனையே என்ன செஞ்சிட்டாரு, அதே மாதிரி அவரோட தேரை வச்சு என்ன செஞ்சிட்டாரு, தேரை ஏற்றி அவரோட பையனையே கொன்னுட்டார் மனுநிதி சோழன். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், ஸோ தேட் ஆல்சோ ஒன் ஆஃப் த ஸ்டோரி. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு கிங் பாரி he also offered his golden chariot to முல்லை எக்ரீப்பர். ஸோ முல்லை கொடியெல்லாம் படர்றதுக்கு இடம் இல்லாமல் இருக்கும்போது கிங் பாரி என்ன செஞ்சார், அவரோட கோல்டன் சேரியட் தங்க தேரை முல்லை கொடி படறதுக்கு விட்டு கொடுத்துட்டார். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், ஸோ கிங் பாரி ஆஃபர்ட் ஹிஸ் கோல்டன் சேரியட் டு முல்லை எக்ரீப்பர். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் another one story. King Bacon offered his shawl to a peacock which was shivering in the cold. ஓகே, ஸோ ஒரு பீகாக் குளிரில் நடுங்கிட்டு இருக்கும்போது கிங் பேகன் வந்து என்ன செஞ்சிட்டாரு, அவரோட எக்ஸ்பென்சிவான ஷாலை பீகாக்கு கொடுத்துட்டார். ஓகே, குளிரில் நடுங்காமல் இருக்கிறதுக்கு பீகாக்கு என்ன செஞ்சிட்டாரு, போத்தி விட்டார். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், ஸோ லைக் தட் த olden period the kings were there. Okay children, so they all are live in the society to help each other. Okay children, okay, so this also one of the social values. Okay children, so these stories tell us the social values to public places. Okay, do you understand children? Yes, so the next topic, disciplinary value. Our next class we will learn. Okay children, disciplinary values we will learn our next class. Okay, so do you understand children today topic? Yes, so now all of you take your social classwork. We are going to write some classwork now. Take your social classwork note children. Have you taken social classwork note children? Yes, so already in the previous class we have written choose the correct answer, 15 choose the correct answer and 5 fill-ups. Yes, did you write children already? The previous class, did you write children? Yes. So all of you have to study and write and see. Okay children, everyday classwork and homework you should study every day and write and see in your rough note. Okay children? Yes, so now all of you write continuously. Take your social classwork, write today date and day, then start to write today classwork. Match the following. Match the following. Match the following. Okay children, did you write match the following? Yes, so first match the following. First one, left side. Natural character. Natural character. Natural character. First of all, you have to write left side and right side. After that only you have to fill, you have to match the correct answer. Okay children? So natural character. Did you write natural character children? Then leave one, sorry, put on small dash near. After that write the right side. Affecting factor. Affecting factor. Affecting factor. Natural character, affecting factor. Okay, did you finish children? Then leave one line and write second match the following. Culture. Culture. First natural character, right side affecting factor, then second leave one line and write second match the following. Culture, then put one small dash, then right side punctuality. Punctuality. Culture, then right side punctuality. Okay, then leave one line, see the slide and write correct spelling children. Punctuality spelling you have to write correctly. PUNCTUALITY. Punctuality. Okay, then third, society. Third one, society, leave one line and write third one, society, put on small dash near, then right side good value. Good value. Society, good value. Okay children, did you finish? Then leave one line, I write fourth one, duty. Duty, then right side language. Duty, language. Write neatly children, your handwriting should be very neat. Okay, in your classwork note and homework note you should write neatly. Don't write ugly handwriting. Okay children, you have to use good pencil to write neatly. Okay, fourth one duty, then right side language. Okay, next fifth one, leave one line and write fifth one, unemployment. 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 Then right side tolerance. 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 Okay children, did you write? Okay, so now we are going to match the correct answer. First one, natural character. Which one is the correct answer children? Yes, good value. Natural character, good value. Natural character, good value. Okay, then second, culture, language. Culture, language. Cultural value we can see language. Yes or no children? Yes, so culture, language. Then society. Next third, society. Next third, society, tolerance. Society, tolerance. சொசைட்டியோட சகிப்புத்தன்மையோட நடந்துக்கணும். ஓகே, ஸோ சொசைட்டி டாலரன்ஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் டியூட்டி, பஞ்சுவாலிட்டி. ஸோ நம்மளோட கடமையை செய்யும்போது எப்போவுமே எப்படி இருக்கணும்? பஞ்சுவாலிட்டி, நேரம் தவறாமல் இருக்கணும். ஓகே, ஸோ டியூட்டி, பஞ்சுவாலிட்டி. டியூட்டி, punctuality. Okay, next unemployment, affecting fact. Affecting fact. Unemployment, affecting fact. Okay children, did you write? Did you match correctly? You don't match children, you have to put the number like this. Okay, near the answer you have to put the number like this, 1 2 3 4 like that. Like that you have to put the number near. Answer near you have to put the number. Don't match the following. Okay children, so now we are going to read children. Natural character, good value. Culture, language. Society, tolerance. Duty, punctuality. Unemployment, affecting fact. Again, all of you read. Natural character, good value. Culture, language. Society, tolerance. Duty, punctuality. Unemployment, affecting fact. Okay, children, can you read all of you? Again, all of you read once. Natural character, good values. Culture, language. Society, tolerance. Duty, affecting fact. Unemployment, punctuality. Okay, children. Sorry, duty, punctuality, affecting, unemployment, affecting fact. Okay, children. Yes. So, have you written classwork, children? Okay, children. Did you write match the following in your classwork note? Yes. So, leave one line and write true or false. Leave one line and write true or false. Today you want to write true or false also. So leave one line and write continuously in your classwork note true or false. First, true or false. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. It is correct or not, children? This sentence is correct or not? True or false? Yes, correct. Yes or no, children? So honesty is the best policy. Okay, so true. Okay. Next, second one, leave one line and write second true or false. Extreme faith in religion leads to socialism. Extreme faith in religion leads to socialism. Okay, so if this sentence is wrong, so have to write answer false. So extreme faith irukkukoodadhu. Okay, children. So அப்படி இருந்ததுனா அது நல்லா இருக்காது. Okay, children. So faith is want, but extreme faith is not nice. Okay, children. So extreme faith in religion leads to socialism. So that is long sentence. So false. Next, third, leave one line and write third true or false. Personal values are love, generosity, mercy. Yes or no? So personal values, love, generosity, mercy. So these all personal values. Yes or no, children? Yes. So this sentence is correct. So answer true. Okay, then finished. Then leave one line. Fourth one. Mannerism is an important feature of social values. Mannerism is an important feature of social values. Yes. So this sentence is correct. So answer true. Mannerism is an important feature of social values. True. Mannerism is an important feature of social values. Okay. Next, fifth one, leave one line and write fifth one. King Pari offered his shawl to Peacock. King Pari offered his golden chariot to the mullai plant. Yes or no? But here given King Pari offered his shawl to Peacock. Shawl Peacock kudutharu King Behan. But here given King Pari. So it is wrong sentence. So answer false. Okay, children. Did you write true or false? 5. So did you write correctly, children? Did you write correctly and neatly? Yes. So now all of you have to read. Listen carefully. Honesty is the best policy. True. Honesty is the best policy. Say all of you. Honesty is the best policy. True. Second, extreme faith is religion leads to socialism. Extreme faith in religion leads to socialism. False. Again, read, children. Extreme faith in religion leads to socialism. False. Next, third, personal values are love, generosity, mercy. Again, read, children. Personal values are love, generosity, mercy. True. Again, read, children. Personal values are love, generosity, mercy. Truth. True. Okay. Next, fourth, mannerism is an important feature of social value. True. Say again, mannerism is an important feature of social value. True. Again, read, children. Mannerism is an important feature of social values. True. Okay, then fifth, King Pari offered his shawl to Peacock. False. King Pari offered his shawl to Peacock. False. Okay, children, can you read true or false? All of you. Again, once all of you read, children. Honesty is the best policy. True. Extreme faith is religion leads to society. False. Personal values are love, generosity, mercy. True. Mannerism is an important feature of social values. True. King Pari offered his shawl to Peacock. False. Okay, children, can you read all of you? Yes. So now all of you take your homework note. We are going to write homework now. Take, children. So have you written class work, children? Yes. So now all of you take your homework note. Take your social homework note and write today homework. Take your social homework note. Write today date and day in your homework notes. After that, write today homework, children. Fill-ups. First fill-up, we should maintain some good values in dash. We should maintain some good values in dash. Okay, then finished children. Then leave one line and write second fill-up. Respect dash. Respect dash. Finish, children. Then leave one line and write third fill-up. Protect dash. Protect dash. Protect dash. Okay, did you finish 3 fill-ups, children? You have to search the answer from the book, page number 165. Today topic you are going to search the answer. Okay, children. Then study and write the answer. Only one question you want to study. You can see the classwork and study. After that, write the answer in your homework note. Okay, children. So what are the social values? What are the social values? You can search. You can see the classwork and study clearly. After that only you have to write the answer in your homework note. Okay, children. So there is only one question you want to study today. And also in your classwork note, match the following and true or false. So that also have to study today. So your study portion is classwork note, match the following, true or false, and in your homework note only one question and 3 fill-ups. Today very easy. You have to study, children. So all of you must study. Okay, study and write and see. Only one question you want to study. Okay, children. So all of you must study and write the answer in your homework note. Okay, so what are the social values? So you can search the answer. Fill-ups. You can search the answers from the book and only one question you want to see the classwork and study clearly. After that, write the answer in your homework note. Because our quarterly exam coming near us, so don't waste the time. Every day you should study and write the answer in your rough note. Okay, children, study and write every day. Okay, yes. So the next topic we will learn in our next class. Okay, children. So all of you must study every day. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.